super crazy long. You showed me a picture. I mean, you were down past your waist.
Yeah.
And then what happened?
The way that she cut my hair, it was wet. And then she just went randomly and cut like thin pieces really short. And then so it kind of like thinned out the ends of my hair.
How long ago was that?
It's been a couple years, I think.
Dang.
Yeah.
What you might be struggling with, just kind of feeling it and just kind of taking a look is, I think you're drying out and probably getting more breakage.
Yeah.
Which then turns into more knots because it's varying.
Yeah.
And then more knots, more breakage, more knots, more breakage. So it's going to be really hard for you to kind of like start seeing length that you get to keep. You might, you know what I mean? Like this one could keep making it, but then these could kind of keep breaking all around it. So I saw the picture. You were full. Like it was long and full. I would even kind of go so far as to say the cut before the bad cut was kind of blunt. Like you had...
I had no layers. And
exactly.
I've never cut layers into my hair.
And I think that's what's really important for going for long hair. And I think that's where somebody like Ellie, you need that shaping. But for you, if that is the goal, this is going to, and I'm not saying we're doing this today, but you're probably going to have to like figure out when you're like, all right, this is when I'm starting it. And you're probably going to need to make a serious clean cut.
I know, that's like my biggest fear.
It would be a big jump for you because I feel like you'd have to cut right here.
I know, and that would like, give me like a heart attack.
And I will not do that to you. I don't feel like you're ready today to be like, fuck it. Like, let's chop it. So let's definitely not do that. But if you want me to go through and want me to knock little pieces out like this, just to where you get tangled less, so I can slow down the process so that when you get to that point, like, all right, cool, we're going to do a straight line across here. Let's say we did that, I don't know, in 6 months. We're like, all right, cool, I'm ready to start it. And bam, we chop you right here. What we would do is we would let you go another like 4 to 6 months and we put you right back here because we have to let these layers all get down to the same spot. Then we let you start growing in all together, but we stay on top of the health of it to where you're not getting any breakage there. And then I think you could get there again.
Okay.
I want you to be like ready to do that to where you're like, I'm so done with these ends. I'm so whatever. Obviously today's not the day. And then let me kind of go to the other side of the coin. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you're loving it, leave it. But I'm saying that is the goal.
Yeah.
That's the game plan.
I know, and I've tried just letting it grow up, but obviously it's not working.
If you just like, oh, I'll just grow the problem out, it winds up, if this is dry here, it crawls up. You gotta wind up finding that spot that's like just past those dry pieces to where you do cut into it. And then you gotta think of it as like 2 steps forward, 1 step back. It's slow, it's a bitch, it's annoying. But once you start kind of like seeing it, you're like, ooh, cool, it's full.
Ellie came in today and she was like looking at my hair and she was like, your hair is dead.
Well, down there it is, you can tell because you're getting breakage probably somewhere in here.
Yeah.
And that's why it's starting to get kind of weird here.
Yeah.
And I could just kind of like,
you know, sure, we can do a little.
My ultimate goal is to make you feel like, did you even cut anything? That just so you know.
Okay.
Does that make you feel a little better?
Yeah, because I'm just like, from the last experience, like even saying like cutting like this much, I'm like,
I get it. People, I feel like would come find me if I took too much of your hair off. Like I don't want to do that to you. Plus, I really like it. Yeah. But I think you'll just feel a little bit better knocking off like that last little tiny bit. You'll just feel like a little fresher.
Okay.
You just won't feel it. You're not going to notice the visible change very much at all.
Yeah.
But you'll feel it. You'll feel a little bit different. So especially when you're watching it, you tangle it, you'll be like, oh, it's a little nicer.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Cool?
Sure.
Awesome.